Hello everyone, what's up guys? This is Supercell EAS and we are going to be unboxing a new weather radio. I am currently joined by
Phoenix EAS out of Phoenix, Arizona. Subscribe to me, don't subscribe to Recon.
Phoenix
Gross.
EAS? Really? You live in Phoenix? I did not know that. That's so amazing. Whoa! It is Recon EAS in Phoenix, Arizona. Hello. And yeah, subscribe subscribe to me, and I'm gonna be nice. Subscribe to JJ as well.
Yeah, good agreement.
No.
The M12 who lives in the same area as Supercell does, although my channel was created in like 2016.
Yeah, 4 years ago he created his channel. But anyway, I was recording EAS content since like 2018 or something. But anyway, yeah, let us begin this unboxing. The box was already opened and checked and sanitized and everything, so let me turn on my camera and I'll show you the package. Here it is, for those who want to look at the package.
eBay box.
Yes, exactly. It's from USPS. Alright, let's see what's inside, shall we? Paper! I love paper. Alright, we got a thing wrapped here in bubble wrap. Alright, so here's the bubble wrap. And it looks like we're gonna need...
There it is.
Did an alert just happen?
You bought it off eBay, right?
Yes, I bought it off eBay, yes.
How much was it again?
It was... Shoot, it was... Oh yeah, it was $20 and $10 shipping, I think. Yeah, yes. $20 and $10 shipping. Alright.
Guess what?
Chicken butt?
You have, what's his name? What's his name? Yes.
Wait, does this have a red or a white logo? RadioShack logo?
Oh, I'll have to see. I think it may be white. Anyway. Let us cut this bubble wrap open.
Guess what?
Chicken butt? Anyway. Yeah, we'll open this here. And here's an AC adapter. And if we keep opening this, then inside this thing right here, we should see here it is. The RadioShack 12-991. This one has the red logo.
The red logo?
Yes, the red logo.
White. Mine is white.
Oh, that's really interesting.
2016,
Yeah.
mine was the white one.
Also known as the PAL. Plane Ranger 141. Here's your antenna. Right here is the newer model number. This is actually a 1200991, which is the newer model number of the 12-991, but it's the exact same radio.
Actually, that is actually not it. So the actual model number is 1200901, but on older model RadioShacks, they have the dash instead of the zeros.
Yeah.
So technically, what we do is we just do the dashes just for old time's sake, and
Yeah.
put all those zeros.
Right. So.
it is the 120091.
Yeah.
But just to abbreviate, it's like abbreviated. That's all it is.
Right.
It's a 12-991
Right.
abbreviation.
Cool. So yeah, this is the 12-991, also known as the PAL.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we are going to do what us EAS enthusiasts like to do. to ensure this weather radio does good service later on, we are going to push all the buttons and flick all the switches. Oh, and that's it. Me pushing the buttons and flicking the switches.
What's
You're
happening?
saying you.
Oh, that's the alarm switch. Huh. Oh, it takes the... Oh, I didn't know about that. It takes the one that the WR100 takes. The barrel connector. Well, anyway. We are going to see which batteries... Oh, three AA's. That'll be easy to get. Okay, let's test out the barrel connection first. And we are going to go ahead and set this up. So apparently my surge protector that I'm going to be using for this is like all the way on the other side of the room, so you may not see it. Actually, let's put in the batteries first. Let's do that first. Right. Be putting in the batteries. Alright, now for the moment of truth. As I insert this third battery in, we'll see if the weather radio turns on. And look at that, it does. Alright, so now we're going to do a basic setup for the weather radio. But anyway, we are going to set this up. The M12, how do you access the menu on here?
You have to hold down the select button.
Alright.
Hold the select button until it goes.
Press and hold down the select button, and on the menu you should see select channel.
Yes. Alright, so we're going to select
Select
channel.
the channel that you want, and then you have to exit and enter every time.
37, and the relative humidity 26%. Wind was
Yes.
northwest at 5 miles an hour.
We're going to put this on channel 1.
Yes, because that is KIG 78, our local.
Yes, that is our local channel.
Recon, are you capping?
Location, let's see.
No, why is it so much?
It's on the other phone. Son of a-
Alright, so I guess we'll do the one for Riverside, California. So we're going to go up to California. We're in the setup location thing.
I wouldn't set up locations unless you really want same codes.
Yeah,
Just put
I-
all county codes.
Yeah. Alright, so I wonder how you'll do that. Anyway.
Just get through.
Yeah, I know there is like an alt setting.
Alright. Location, alert mode. We are going to go to voice. There's the siren for you.
It
yes.
is the woo machine.
Yeah.
Bruh.
How about you guys set off your 12-991s? Alert type. Select alert. Normal. I'm assuming select alert is for the defeat siren function if it has one.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna leave that at normal by now. Location,
Yeah, I
alert
think-
mode, alert type, set clock. Let's do this.
Reminder allows you to have like customize.
Hey, look who's arrived. It's EAS Torcon 100. Yeah, we've not finished the set functions. We're gonna set the clock. Alright,
His 991 has the red logo. Mine has the white.
alright. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. Location, alert mode, alert type, set clock.
I can't. It's bit only.
Alright, the current time is 6:27 p.m. Alright, set alarm, that is not necessary.
Yeah, because Arizona doesn't do daylight savings time.
Imagine doing daylight savings time.
Oh, is that it? Is that really it? Set clock, set alarm. Oh, that's it. That's it. So we finished the setup. We set up the clock. 6:27. Yeah. I have a good DXing weather radio right here. And it's
Hill Valley and the Riverside County Mountains, 24 hours a day. From the National Weather Service Office in San Diego, California. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening.
this one gets pretty good reception.
Yeah. If you check Firewire, there's nothing on there.
Yeah, they're sending
As you can see, it has a fully extendable antenna.
Try getting KW37.
Alright, let's see.
I've gotten AW37 before.
Alright, let's see what channels we could get on this weather radio.
Usually when I get I go outside and see what station.
Right, but yeah. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Let's...
KW37 is channel 7.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Is WXL87.
What's going on? I don't know. Select... But anyways, that, my friends, is the RadioShack 12-991 unboxing.
$20. Give me a PayPal. Send it to me.
Alright, I'm going to conclude this video here. Alright.
I'll give it to you. Just hold on a second.
You better ship it tomorrow, man. It better be here in 2 days. I'm refunding the money while shipping. Why'd you do that?
Because you can.
What are you going to do to you?
Club Uwu. Alright guys, I'm going to conclude this video here. Anyway.
Yes, sir.
Alright, that's it for the unboxing for the unboxing and setup for the RadioShack 12-991. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more EAS content. I made this video and the following people came up here. You could do. But anyway.
Mama.
Subscribe to me, the person that was late to joining this unboxing.
Joe Madden. Joe Madden.
And Joe Torcon.
No.
Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna skip JJ because he can go last. My name is Recon EAS Uwu, and Phoenix, Arizona. Please subscribe and make sure to subscribe to Supercell as well.
And then Phoenix EAS, because Raycon likes to skip people. Subscribe to me.
It's true.
But anyway. Yeah. Subscribe to all of these lovely people, including Phoenix EAS, Recon EAS, the M12, and the EAS Torcon 100. And that concludes this unboxing. Stay tuned for more EAS content. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.
Orange County's RMT yet.